And just as a side note, I'd also say that your service advisors are just as important as those technicians, those people that are on your front counters, that the people that are meeting your customers every day, both on the phone and in person in your shop. And I consider them the trust gatekeepers, if you will, because many times they're the face of your organization. So, and then going forward, I think it's incumbent upon us to really look at how we build effective ecosystems, things that AutoLeap and ShopPros, for that matter, are very focused on to support businesses, because it's going to take different things and different ways that to care for this business as we go forward, and hopefully you'll see that at the end of the presentation. It's about embracing the technology and not fearing it, embracing the evolution of the digital-based consumer, which we'll talk a lot about today, and meeting them where they're at and not relying on those older marketing tactics that we employed in the past. And finally, accepting that vehicle ownership is going to look much differently as we go down this road. And not only now, but in the coming years, even more dramatically changing. Inevitably, we're looking at different ways that we're going to be engaging customers, different expectations from those customers, and different repair options, whether it relates to a fleet, on-site repair where you pick up the vehicle at the consumer's place of work and then deliver it back to them at the end of the day for convenience, or pick up and delivery at their home, which many of you I know implemented during the pandemic and may still be doing. So all those subjects, topics for another day, but certainly relevant to how we operate our businesses both now and in the future. So